today the sauce velouté. We are going to already finish tomato, bolognese and white sauce. Yeah. So the velouté. So very simple. The velouté, when you are going to make, you should know first what is the stock. Okay, stock. So stock is the thing. Stock is the flavoring liquid substituted with the vegetable and fruits and corn. So before we start, we need to know the stock. We have already made the 3 stock. Okay. One is vegetable stock. Vegetable stock. What's supposed to be inside? Mirepoix. What is the mirepoix? Cutting of the vegetables. Okay. So you can use leaf, celery, onion, bay leaf, depend upon it. But vegetable stock you can put it, but always keep the remember very slow, never boil. Okay. If you boil, what happens? If you boil, it becomes cloudy. Okay. So when you are making a stock, keep the mind the stock supposed to be not too much boil, very slow, so they extract the flavor of vegetables, bones and other things. So very important. And if you boil, it becomes cloudy. Okay, so always. And one more question, salt. If you want to add salt, possible in a stock? Yes or no? No, no, sir. No. Very good. No, because if you put the salt here, when you are making a sauce, you don't know that there is how much salt, add the salt. Because that's why you never put the salt in a stock. Okay? So very important, keep the mind, vegetable stock, fish stock and chicken stock. Basically 3 base we can make. There's a vegetable, but one by one if you make the chicken, you need to be bone very clear. As much clear, remove the fat. So when you remove the fat, it will be very clear, nice stock. Very slow, because they slowly they start. If you verify it, it will become a cloudy. And now we're going to step to show you. Previous one I saw the different types of roux. Now, depend upon what type of velouté. If you make, check which type of velouté you want. You want to fish velouté, you want to chicken velouté, or you want to make vegetable. So always consistency velouté is the same roux mixed with the stock. Okay. And then you go to another. What type of thing you going to make? Which type of food you going to make sauce? For me, I give example. Now we going to make 2. For chicken. Okay. This is for fish and this for chicken. Remember last session I teach you the roux. Why I give this type color? Because it will look this color. Okay. Roux, which I already teach previous lesson. Roux is nothing. Flour and butter, equal amount, and you have to cook. Scout and cook. Start with it. No need to use the roux already. Just start. Always careful. This is supposed to be cold. One part is hot. If this hot, it will be one cold. If that one hot, it will be this cold. Okay? This one is supposed to be fish. So I just this is top because fish is hot. Chicken stock. Now slowly, already mixed. Never never make one time. If you make this in one time, what happens? They become clumsy. Okay? Slowly, 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 slowly. And then check how much you need. Very slow. See, nice color coming here. Okay. For fish. Okay. Always check the thickness, you know. Sauce thickness, I teach you previous class. This is the thickness, very thick. Supposed to be more thin. You're supposed to be balanced. Huh? Why we make a stock? Because stock is flavored already. Already flavored, it helps. No, this is velute. Yeah. See, both are different color, right? See, constituency. Okay. Now, very important. This is the basic one. Now, this is for fish. This is for chicken. Now, if you want more richness, how you make richness? Simple. You put some butter. This is richness, you know, richness. And you put, yeah, richness. I show you only one. Put salt, both, and basically supposed to be white pepper. Okay. Probably I like just black. Fish always tries with white pepper. Okay. And you mix. You know why you mix? This will become more rich. You understand? Rich is nice. It become rich. So if you want to thicken, make rich there. And then if you want to put little bit touch of cream, just touch of cream, it will help. If you want to more tea, now. This one, both are done. Now, one more is there in thickening. Thickening which is the butter and the cheese, but there is mayonnaise. You want to more thickening, and then you can use mayonnaise. Now this mayonnaise, you keep the yolk. Okay. Mix double 1/3. So mix like yes, okay. Much, and then. This one. So careful over there because now you can mix it, but careful because this egg, otherwise become. Bring one plate. Called lemon. This is very nice method of making the sauce. You know the sauce, basic sauce is this, but you can inculcate your passion, your knowledge, what you want to going to put. Okay, so it's all are thickening, huh? So make you rich, more flavor. If you want more thyme flavor, put it the thyme in there. Base you can put any flavor. Okay, but basic concept. If you here, include the dill in the stock. So it's from dill flavor. Need to be some in the right into this because no boil on the side. Always remember the sauce, the thickness consistency is supposed to become and then you stop. Okay, otherwise it look like a, how you know? Last time I teach you. How you know? Here. You see? Perfect. It's coating nicely. Okay. That means perfect. The sauce is not supposed to be too much thick and not supposed to be too much thin, because if you make very thin, when you come to the guest, that when you put the table in front of the guest and it is scattered, it will look ugly. So not thick, and keep the point when you make a velouté, check which type of food you are going to make. It's very important, and according to you make. This is the basic velouté. Thank you for watching. Thank you.